Alright, we are at rough in phase. Power pole in now. Front of the house has been re-sided and painted on this side. Okay, so now we've picked up the front door. Had to demo all this and re-level it because it was 3 different levels in this one area. So now we have living room with an extra window. This is going to be the kitchen. There'll be an island here. Sink, range, fridge. This way now is the master bedroom. We took out all the windows and just put in 2. We have the bathroom here. We'll have vanity, toilet, tub, master closet, and then this is the firewall where it separates to the next unit. All this is going to be fenced in, so it separates the 2 units. Unit 2 will have driveway parking and we'll park in the garage. This will be an entryway, probably going to do a shiplap wall or something there. Here we have bedroom 1. We've now moved the shower in this bedroom, so it's a full 2 bed, 2 bath. This was the master bath and is now the laundry and pantry. Kitchen. Alright, so we now have an island here with a range, sink, and fridge will be here. We have the master bedroom. Here we have the master bathroom. There'll be 2 sinks with a big mirror, tub, the toilet room.